Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect a printer using remote AnyDesk. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official AnyDesk application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go to the official website right here at AnyDesk.com, from where you can get started downloading it. Once you've downloaded, installed it and open it up, it's going to look like this. This is going to be the main page where at the top of the screen you're going to go and be able to see your address that you can go and send to other users to remotely access your device. So let's go and take a look at how to use the remote print function. As you can see right here in the official AnyDesk Help Center, there is an article showing us step by step on how to get started remote printing. So here are the requirements. You need to both the local remote endpoints need to be running Windows 7 or newer, and AnyDesk 5.0 for Windows or later needs to be installed, and you need a printer that needs to be installed and connected to the local endpoint, and the driver only needs to be installed on the remote device, and then we can get started installing. So you want to enable to install the AnyDesk printer when installing AnyDesk. So if you already have it downloaded, you can go ahead and go to settings, printer, outgoing print jobs, and click install AnyDesk printer. It's going to appear in your settings right here. But once you've done that, you can get started sending a print request and accepting those print requests. So if you need a step-by-step, I suggest finding this article right here on the Help Center and taking a look at for yourself to set it up. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.